So, hi everyone. Today we are going to have an exhibition on our computer science program. So, here we will be presenting one programming language. From the modules you have learned till now, you can present two or three, whatever you want. So, you can select one problem, like the array problem that we have done from the tournament of the towns, in which we have converted a checkerboard problem and we found out the algorithm logic. And we also were able to do some problems on strings, the pointers, and we were able to compile them with the help of some beautiful problem solving skills. So you can use your programming software or any other software that you have to show it, and you can compile it. First you have to explain the problem, and then you have to explain what you are going to do here, and similar thing you have to do for the scratch problems. So once you have written the code, or if you have already written the code, you have to explain that code, and then you have to present your presentation so that the viewers can understand your problem, right? So let's start with Shyangshu. Yeah, Shyangshu, can you start? So you have to tell me that which presentation you are going to give, and then you have to explain the problem. Okay, so you have to present your screen also.
This is a code which is about a shop. We can select what we want. So first I'll explain the code. We will first display the menu, our menu. We'll first introduce that welcome to the shop, and we'll write mango juice, apple juice and cherry juice in the menu,
Mm-hmm.
and we'll also write the cost.
All
Now
right.
we'll use in total, in quantity, in choice, in price per unit. We're defining them all. And if choice is equal to 1, then price per unit becomes 50. If choice is 2, price per unit becomes 70. If choice is 3, 5, price per unit becomes 90. So here I have given the numbers just to confirm, and the input is to be given using the numbers. If I give 1, if the input is 1, then computer will understand it is mango juice, like that. So return price per unit into quantity. Now, in quantity in choice, we are also defining these things. If choice is 1, then item is mango juice. If choice is 2, item is apple juice. If choice is 3, item is cherry juice. After that, we will display that the items are this and the total is this. We have already defined total. You see, we have defined, we will define total. Now we run int main, choice, quantity, total, and display menu. No, display menu was already there. Choice, quantity and total we are defining. Then we are doing print what do you want, scanf, how much do you want, scanf. The total is the total into quantity choice, print bill, quantity choice, total. And this is return 0. For some reason it is not visible over here. So we will run this code. So it will give what do you want. So if I give 4, so it should take apple juice. And now it is asking how much do you want. So if I want 6 apple juices, the answer should come 420 as the total. So the items are apple juice. The total are 420.
I did for a different problem.
Okay.
For the problem involving strings.
Okay, go for it. Okay, what is the problem you're taking?
Like it asked for a problem that involved pointers. So I've taken that, but this time it's strings.
Okay.
So in this case, it's like a vowel counter. So when you enter a sentence like this, it'll count the number of vowels in that sentence,
Okay.
and it will give the output as that number.
Okay. So what is the problem about? You have to find the vowels, number of vowels. Okay.
Yeah.
So can you count? Is there seven vowels? Okay. One, two,
Yes.
three, four, five, six, seven. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Very nice. Any problem? Anything else? Like you can make 2 cross 3 grid problem also, that we have done, a 2 cross 2 one. The logic is that it's a checkerboard problem. We have done it many times, so you can just find out the logic for it and present it.
Okay. I haven't done that problem.
Okay. Anything else from the scratch you can also present?
Yes. For like my own project or this class project, like class related.
Whatever. If you want to present for the class project, you can present.
Okay.
Okay. What is this problem about?
So this is like a balloon chase problem. Where
Okay.
there are two bugs, and they
Mhm.
are chasing a balloon. Like when you chase the balloon, you get points. I just added and when they touch each other, the game is over.
Okay. So what is the how to explain this with the help of code?
So for this feature, the ladybug, we use the WASD keys to move around.
Hmm.
Basically, when it touches the beetle, it says game over, and it will continuously move 5 steps. When you use the WASD keys, it's for pointing in the direction you want. So W is for north, D is for east, A is for west, and S is for south.
Very
So that
nice.
way, you can point like the ladybug to go in that direction. And when it touches the balloon, it says a funny dialogue, and it changes the score. Like it increases the score.
Okay.
Same way for the beetle. But in this, we are using the arrows. Like the up arrow is for north, down arrow for south, east. The right arrow is for east, and left arrow is for west.
Mm.
And when they touch each other, it says game over.
Okay. So they need not to touch each other. They have to touch the balloon. That is the concept.
Yeah, yeah,
Very nice. Very nice. It also was that if they were the first project that we done, we are if they touch their own line, then the game was over. So in this case, that
yeah,
condition is not followed.
yeah. I can modify that a bit. I've also made a scratch translator.
Okay, very nice. Can you show it?
So when you click on this button, first it will ask what would you like to translate. So say I am a student in Cheenta.
Mm-hmm.
So if I want to translate that, and I want to translate to French. So when it asks which language do you want to translate to, I'll write French.
Very
And
nice.
when I click on this girl here, it will say it will
Okay. So
say
can you try to translate any Indian language like Hindi, Bengali, or something?
this doesn't
Is that good?
support Hindi because in this I've used the translate extension,
Okay.
so I don't think it's supported.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so I don't think it's supported.
Okay. It can support some languages only. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Very nice. Okay.
We can present the beetle traveling and touching its own line one.
Okay. Anything else from Beetle? The Spidey project was also there. Anybody with the Spidey project? Okay, Anamika. You have the Spidey project?
yeah,
Yes.
but the maybe more for like design kind of thing with more than a bird.
Okay, Snehangshu can show his project first.
Yes, sir. So
Okay.
I present the beetle project.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
You can also present your own project if you have made something new before the class. Yeah.
So this is beetle project. It is a game which, if the beetle will travel and its trace will come down on the graph. If the beetle touches its own line, then uh, it will display very very bad. It will say very very bad. So that's the game only. If beetle shouldn't touch its own line and complete the trace. So if we expand this, wait a minute. Okay. So and here also I have used turning ones. So when left arrow is pressed, the beetle will turn 5 degrees, and there is already a program for the beetle to keep gliding. When the right arrow is pressed, it will turn 5 degrees to the right. Also, I am changing the pen color here after every 3 seconds to make the game more difficult. And
Okay.
here we are using a programming that if this color is touching this, or this is touching this, or this is touching this, then it should speak very very bad.
Okay. Very nice. So run it.
So we start with the space key and we go left, and the color is changing as you can see.
Okay. So in this case, beetle also can rotate with certain angular trajectories
Yes,
and changing the colors. Very nice.
Very, very bad.
as it touches the its own line, it will say very very bad. This will make such a path, and if touches the own line, it will say very very bad.
It is not saying very, very bad while touching the own line.
Yes, that is because of the slight color differences. Because if we zoom in, I don't think we can zoom in.
So only when the different color it touch, then only it's a very, very bad.
No, it said very very bad in the same color only. But the problem here is if I go like this and I choose this, you can see the changes in the color. Somewhere it is bold, somewhere it is deep, somewhere it is light, somewhere it is
Oh yeah.
dark. That is why the problem is happening. And that I don't think is resolvable.
Okay. Anything else you want to show?
No, sir. Sir, I can show another scratch program, but I will read 2 minutes for that.
Okay. So let's go
Not
to
scratch,
Anaika.
sorry, C.
Okay. Okay. Let's go to Anaika. Anaika, can you present something?
Yes, sir. I can present a C project.
Okay. Which project you are doing?
Sir, I'll be doing the. I'll be taking a name from them and then seeing how many times the letter A repeats in that name.
Okay. So you are using strings for your project.
Yes.
Okay. Go for it.
Yes, sir. So this is my code.
Okay.
So for explaining, we use include stio.h to run any code. Then comes int main. Then int occur is 0. It is a variable. Then there is a character name 15. So it means that in this name you can enter up to 15 letters. Then printf. Please enter your name. So you need to enter your name, and then the name will be scanned by the computer and it will return it to me in the form of a string. So percentage s and the name. Then I have run a for loop which tells int I is equal to 0. I will be less than 15 and I will keep increasing by 1. And if the name is equal to a, which means if any letter in the name is equal to a, then occur will be equal to occur plus 1, which means the int occur will increase by 1.
And then after the for loop is complete, I will print the number of times the letter A has repeated is percentage D. Percentage D will be the number of times A has repeated in that.
Okay, kindly run your code.
Yes, sir. So please enter your name. I'll write Anika. Oh, sorry. Yes. And then the number of times the letter A. Oh no, this.
It's saying that probably because you only put the condition for lowercase a.
Oh. Yes, thank you. So the number of times the letter A has repeated is 2. So
Okay,
then
you have,
sir,
yeah,
I
you
have
only,
another project in
okay,
C.
okay, show it.
This one is we are giving 5 ages in ascending order.
Mhm.
So it is an array. So there is an int mean. It is a variable again. Then there is an array which is named as ages, and it has 5 values in them. So print f, please give me 5 ages in the ascending order. So I'll take the input from the user, and then it will be scanned into 5 numbers, respectively ages 0, ages 1, ages 2, ages 3, and ages 4. Then the mean will be equal to ages 5, the array divided by 5. And then printf, percentage d is the number of mean of these numbers, and mean. So percentage d is the number, what the number, and the number is the mean of those values. So we can execute that. So I can take 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So sir, it doesn't give any input.
You'll have to press enter after
Please
one
enter.
age, I guess.
I did that.
So please
No, you
kindly
have to
check your
press
code before
enter
compiling.
after each age.
Yeah,
What?
you're taking it in single string, I think. You
Yeah,
compile.
I guess you'll have to press enter after each age.
Check your code before you present it. Okay, everyone, like it is compiling or not. Please recheck your code and then present. Okay, Raika. Okay,
Yes,
any
sir.
scratch period you have?
Yes, sir, I do. So this is my project on popping balloons. So there are two balloons which are about to be popped. So we click the green flag to start, and the backdrop will be switched to this bench with you, and the score will be set to 0, and the balloons will be shown. So it Forever, the code will be running as if the balloon touches the mouse pointer. The score will be changed by 1. It'll change to the next costume, which is a different color, and it'll do flashy. So flashy is it'll repeat 5 times, show, wait for 0.5 seconds, it'll hide, go to a random position and show up again. So
Okay.
this is the definition of
Hello.
flashy. So it will be doing this over here, and then it will play the sound down, celebrate until done. And just sir,
Yeah,
Vashi,
your
so can you hear me?
voice disrupted between. Can you say it again? Yeah.
So it will be doing that flashy thing here, and it will play the song dance, celebrate until done. Then if the score is equal to 50, then the balloons will hide. It will show the next backdrop and play sound dance energetic until done, which is you won. Like, so the next backdrop is you won the game, congratulations. So it will show that. And for this one also it's the same. It will show if it's touching mouse pointer, the score will be changed by 1 and all.
Okay.
Should I
Go
run
for
it?
it. Yeah, please run it.
Yes.
Present it in the center.
Oh, one. Yes.
Hmm. So when it's going to get U1,
What's it?
when it's going to show U1,
Oh, when the score is
the score is
50.
50. So if
Yeah.
present the high limit.
What's it? Sir, it will show you 1 when the score is 50. Or
Okay.
I can change it to 20 for now.
Yeah, please change to 20 for now.
Yes, sir, it's changed. So we can start and do it again.
So in the meantime, anybody with the Spider-Man project that we have done in the class?
Sir, I have another C project.
Sir, I have
Uh,
another Scratch project.
Sir, I
What is
also have
that
an
about?
Sir?
Why? Yeah. You stopped
So
playing?
yes, sir.
Okay. Why? Your score didn't reach 20. You're
Yes, sir.
waiting for seeing that. Okay. What's this about?
Sir, this we are drawing. So the pencil size, we can set it from 0 to 100. And this erase button, we are using the pen extension over here. So if we click on the erase button, it will erase all the drawings made. Then these all are the colors, sprites, and the pencil, well, it's not there. Yes. So if we click any color, then the color of the pencil will be set to that. Like if I run this and click this, then it will become red. Then this will become orange, and then can set the size to maybe 50, and then it will become bold, and then like that. And then if I erase, then all of it will get erased. So that's the code, sir.
Okay, very nice. So can we have another project with what Anamika was saying? Yeah. What project you have in
Yeah,
this?
I have a C project. It's like an introduction maker.
Okay. What does it do?
Basically, it will ask for your name, your age, and your hobby. So, uh,
Okay.
so then when it asks all that, it will give the introduction. So
Okay. So what logic it is working on?
basically, it's like a fill in the blank. So it will take the name that I've entered, the user
Mhm.
input, and it will put it here. So it will say, now, hi, I'm Anamika, if my input is Anamika. So
Hmm.
you can see right here, hi, I'm Anamika, I'm 11 years old, I love singing and coding. And it's the same inputs as this. So it's more like a fill in the blank. So here it
Okay.
will give your age, here the hobby, and here your name.
Okay. Very nice projects. Thank you for your participation. We will present this project. Okay, and please check for updates. Please keep preparing these kinds of project. Okay, and we have learned some more project in scratch, so you can also try to make them. Okay. Okay then. Bye for now, everyone.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.